my beach cruiser slash everyday BMX bike that I built for myself here. This is a 2015 Hutch XL24. We've got, this is the, I built a Skyway Tribute because when I was a kid, everybody had the Skyway Mags, and it was a big deal. So I built the Skyway Tribute BMX bike. You've got these Skyway pedals right here. Bullseye cranks with the red crank bolt in there, a Bullseye spider, and a Bullseye sprocket. We've got these box 3 chain tensioners. The Skyway Tuff wheels. These are the original, the Tuffwheel ones, I guess they're called. Got a white chain here. This is Promax vbrakes. They're working really good right now. I got them tuned up. And the cool stop pads, I believe those are there. We've got the Kenda Comp 3 tires. Skyway laser edge seat post to go with the mags and the pedals. And then we've got Eddie Van Halen style pads from Flight. This is 1984 is the theme of this bike, and it is a Skyway Tribute. So the Flight pads. Then we've got in here profile Mulville push stem, race stem with the Hutch star bolt. Perfect. One of the only white ones I could find, because I wanted to stick with this Skyway white color here. And of course, again, Hutch frame. Really my favorite builds are Hutch. Totally beautiful. It's got a integrated headset. It's a cinema threadless headset here. I put some custom stickers on there. This Bullseye sticker, this Skyway Recreation sticker, I put that on there. Okay, that's it for the XL24 showcase that we have here. We got a little crazy over there, busted up a couple of extremities. So, but yeah, that's about it. There you go. Hopefully you get inspired to build yourself a nice machine. And that's it. Miami Post signing out. Peace.